When your Samsung refrigerator door shelf 2-pack starts to crack, it feels like a missing tooth. This S-Union replacement is a perfect fit. It is an upgraded version. The part numbers are DA63-09775A and DA97-20984A. This shelf fits many Samsung models. For example, it works with RF27T5241SR and RF28T5001SR. It also fits RF27T5241SR and RF28T5021SR. So, check your model number. Installation is a breeze. It just slides into place. No tools are necessary. This means less hassle for you. Furthermore, this Samsung refrigerator door shelf 2-pack feels strong. It holds milk jugs well. It also holds juice bottles. The plastic seems durable, therefore, it should last. This shelf brings order back. It truly restores lost space. Think of it as a solid foundation. You can organize your fridge again. Plus, having 2 shelves is a bonus. You get extra storage right away. Indeed, it makes a big difference. Your fridge will feel complete. Finally, consider this Samsung refrigerator door shelf 2-pack a smart buy. It is an affordable solution. It prevents food from rolling around. Consequently, your fridge stays tidy. It saves you money. You avoid a service call. Hence, it is a practical choice. Overall, it performs as expected. It is a necessary upgrade. This shelf truly makes your fridge whole. Pros: upgraded high-quality materials, food-grade eco-friendly, enhanced safety and hygiene. Increased durability, stronger than original part, resistant to wear and breakage, simple and easy to install, perfect fit for replacement, features good toughness, long-lasting performance. Good bearing capacity, reinforced edges, comes in a 2-pack, includes magnetic notepads. Cons: only for right side door, requires careful model check, size may not fit all fridges, plastic material may break, not interchangeable with left features. 2-pack value, upgraded design, replaces DA63-09775A, replaces DA97-20984A, fits Samsung fridges. For RF27T5201SR model, for RF28T5001SR model, right door shelf, easy to install. Durable construction. These are 2 replacement door bins for your Samsung refrigerator. They're an upgraded design and fit on the right side of your fridge door. You can use them to replace part numbers DA63-09775A and DA97-20984A. They work with several Samsung models, including the RF27T5241SR and RF28T5001SR. They're also easy to install and built to be durable. These S-Union refrigerator door bins are an improved 2-pack replacement for several Samsung models, including the RF27T5241SR and RF28T5001SR. They're made from strong, food-safe plastic that's designed to be more durable and last longer than the original parts. With reinforced edges for better strength, they're also easy to install and fit perfectly on the right side door only. Keep in mind that these bins are only for the right door, so be sure to double-check your fridge model and the size to make sure they'll fit. The pack also comes with magnetic notepads.